Servicing Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbiana County of East Central Ohio until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Liston, or 9 miles northwest of Wellsville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include East Liverpool, East Palestine, Calcutta, Lisbon, New Waterford, Rogers, Beaver Creek State Park, Lake Tomahawk, Glenmore, Lockroft, and Negley. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbiana, Ohio. This is no weather.